2. Crippled minds. A friend today told me of a serious problem in her family business. They provide corrective shoes for crippled people. The shoes fit, and they do everything the doctors require of them, but the patients and customers are increasingly unhappy. The problem is a new and growing one. Many of these cripples somehow dream that a pair of corrective shoes will make their defect disappear. The shoe fits, is a major help, and is comfortable, but they burst into tears or go into a tantrum because they expect more from a pair of shoes than shoes can deliver. In this, these cripples are like all too many people of our day. They demand laws to give them a status which other people have won the hard way. The laws are passed and major social adjustments are made, but too often their basic problems remain. They have expected of law more than law can deliver, and their reaction is a revolutionary rage. Such people have crippled minds. Handicaps are real in this world, and they're not pleasant. It's even worse when men themselves make or create handicaps for others. But life always involves a struggle. The farmer can't order weather to suit his needs, nor prices to fatten his bank account. He must live with reality and work to master it. The crippled mind, however, holds a grudge against life and against other men for his handicaps. He demands that a magic wand be somehow waved and all handicaps abolished. The only result of such an attitude is that a greater handicap is created because the mind is progressively crippled by such a faith. We live in an age when men want salvation from a pair of shoes and a new world from a new statute in the law books. When this hopeless dream betrays them, the reaction is to smash the system. It is a revolutionary rage. The problems in our world are real enough, but most serious problems are in the hearts and minds of men. They won't disappear with a wave of the hand, nor with a new set of laws. Only as these people are regenerated by Jesus Christ can they be freed from their major and central problem, a crippled mind. If the Son therefore shall make you free, ye shall be free indeed. John 8:36. Their need is for, quote, the glorious liberty of the children of God. Romans 8:21. Salvation is both health and victory, and only Christ can give it.